In a surprising turn of events, Terra Luna Classic is, well, it's actually back up in price right now. Terra Luna Classic back up above 10,000 points per coin after testing that 9,000 point per coin level of support and moving higher at the moment, sitting exactly at, where are we here? 10,101 points per coin. Now, if you go to the graph, you can see that over the last day, we have had a nice little rebound off of that support level, coming as high as, what do we have? 11,198 points per coin. So what is going on to cause this little bit of a bounce? Is it technical? Is it fundamental? Does it have to deal with the Terra Luna Classic proposals that are out there, both getting passed and not passed? We're going to dive into some answers, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing your favorite shib merch, grabbing anything off of Amazon, burns shibainu coin. So make sure to utilize that link, guys. Help the cryptocurrency community out, and let's destroy as much shibainu coin as possible. Now, I'm actually surprised that Terra Luna Classic is back up the way that it is right now, posting 2 very nice green daily candles in a row, going back up to 11,100 points per coin, dropping back down slightly to the 10,100 point per coin range, but it begs the question, what is causing this move? Now, the first portion, and I'll put it this way, I don't know if we're going to get an exact answer, because anytime you try to gauge the, I guess the reasoning or the rationale behind people's decisions, unless you literally ask them and they truthfully tell you why they are buying or why they are selling, the best thing that you can do is kind of just form a hypothesis. So that's what we're doing in this video. 2 reasoning. Number 1, the technical bounce off of that 9,000 point per coin level of support. Now, we had tested this level of support back in at the beginning of January when Bitcoin had fallen on speculation surrounding that ETF news, and I believe it was the day that the SEC came out and said, no, we're hacked, all that nonsense, and Bitcoin had dropped down pretty heavy, and then of course bounced back up afterwards. Terra Luna Classic on that day had fallen down to the 9,000 point per coin mark before bouncing right back up to nearly 13,600 points per coin. It was a beautiful recovery. It happened very quick. And we once again tested that 9,000 point per coin mark over the last couple of days, and Terra Luna Classic once again bouncing back off of it. So there is a rationale behind a technical move higher off of these levels, that the bulls are using that level as a level of support, coming in and buying when it's viewed as cheap. Now, some other rationale could go out to the Terra Luna Classic proposals right now that are both passing and not passing. Now, this is important because we've got 2 proposals on the, agenda, on the block right now, whatever you want to call it, that are up for vote. And one of them is passing with flying colors. This is to consistently set the ICA controller parameter to false. It says this proposal seeks validator and community approval to set the ICA controller parameter controller enabled from its current undefined to the consistent value of false. This value leaves the ICA controller module disabled, which is the default Genesis state, and will fix the current ongoing Genesis export issue. Please refer to the following off-chain discussion if you want some more details on it. We don't need any more details than that. What we know is they're going to be setting that controller parameter to false. That's the default, and it's 99.98% yes votes. 0% no, 0.01% no with veto, and 0.01% abstaining. Literally all of the major validators coming in and voting yes on this one. You have 748 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. That is a major amount, one of the highest amounts that I have seen in a very long time, and 99 points, essentially 99% yes votes. So the community coming together in massive agreement on this proposal here, and that could be one of the reasons the Terra Luna Classic is moving higher. Seeing kind of commitment and just unity within the community. Kind of run there. The next one we have, and I'm actually surprised that this one has switched over the last couple of days. This is proposal 12008, and it's a community pool spend proposal where the Layer 1 Task Force Terra Luna Classic Core Security Upgrade Package. Now, I'm going to read through this one just quick, and this one was gaining a lot of attraction, but has seen some major validators come in and vote no. It says, this core security upgrade package aims at addressing the security risks, lack of new features originated from legacy components of Terra Classic. Successfully updating these core components will provide up-to-date security and stability, as well as enabling the infrastructure needed for Terraform Labs support. This proposal marks the Joint Layer 1 Task Force initial request for $25,500 up front, representing half of the total budget requested. This amount is intended to cover our initial setup costs and serves as a retainer fee, helping the Joint Layer 1 Task Force long-term commitment to the overall security and stability of the chain. Current market price of Terra Luna Classic at the time of the proposal is 930 points per coin. Please see the additional details here. This is a $51,000 spend proposal that we have been discussing over the last couple of days. And right now, we have moved down to 36.7% yes votes, 54.6% no votes, 0.03 no with veto, and 8% voting to abstain. The proposal has passed quorum, with 605 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. All nodes has voted, and we are currently seeing no votes winning out on this one. Yes votes. We've got Jesus is Lord, Happy Caddy Crypto, Terra C Vita, the major validators. No votes coming in. All nodes. Switching this over to a no vote there. Interstellar, Interstake 1, and so on. And then you've got a couple voting to abstain there. Luna Station 88, PFC, and so on. But the no votes winning out on this spend proposal. I don't know the reasoning behind it, but that is where we stand on Terra Luna Classic. So it might be viewed as a good sign that we are not about to sign over $51,000 for a job such as upgrading the security risks on Terra Luna Classic's blockchain. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below and what you think the reason for the recent rebound is. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.